What's going on today, everybody? I caught the wife away again, so I think we'll do another tool review here on the kitchen counter. What I've got here is a trim tool kit from Autoxel. I'll post the link in the description below as to where I got it. I got them from Amazon as a $25 88-piece kit. The kit showed up a handful of times, some other videos I've had some questions about, so I figured let's do a quick overview on it. Personally, I think it's a good value. It's just something handy to have, especially if you're working on the interior of your car. I personally used them on my own mirrors, so it's good to work with anything plastic because you don't want to mar up. We'll just open it up and see what you get here. You see you got all kinds of variants of trim tools. Build quality looks to be pretty good. I mean, just real thick plastic pieces, pretty sturdy. So say I used them on my mirrors. I didn't have an issue there. You get some stereo removal equipment. Got all these little pieces up here, as you can see. You got this little piece. I'll go ahead and be honest with you, I don't really remove stereos often, so those may not be the best qualities. It might be the downfall of the kit. I can't really comment on that. You got some double-sided tape, looks like electrical wire, kind of like zip tie holders right here. So those are probably pretty handy to have around if you're working on electrical and such. My thing was, one of the good things about it was you get all these variety of poppet and screw clips. If you're like me, you break these more often than not just out of frustration, or you lose them, or they're just a big pain in the hind end. It's always good to have a variety of them on hand, because 9 times out of 10 they'll either end up broken or you'll end up losing them. So that's good to have. You got a full pick set. Say right here you got a pick set, and you got some clip removers, 2 different size and lengths. That's what I say is it's for 25 bucks, and what you get, I mean, the trim tools alone, being the quality that they are, I think it's worth it if you're removing the interior parts or even some exterior plastic parts. You don't want to mar up. It's very, very handy to have. Anyways, if you found this review helpful at all or enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like, comment, or consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.